हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आप सभी के लिए MBA सेकेंड सेमेस्टर प्रोडक्शन एंड ऑपरेशन मैनेजमेंट का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आई हूँ। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन 1। अटेम्प्ट एनी 4 पार्ट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग: क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, फैसिलिटी लेआउट, जस्ट इन टाइम, लीन प्रोडक्शन एंड केजन। Question 2. Attempt any 4 parts of the following: TQM and its benefit, recorder level, XQC, ABC analysis, sales forecasting technique. Question 3. Attempt any 2 part of the following: what is the difference between a product layout and a process layout? Explains with suitable diagram and examples. Explain facility location. Discuss the factor responsible for location in manufacturing and surface operation. Discuss the concept and importance of TQM. What are its principles? How it is related to a Six Sigma and quality circle. Question 4. Attempt any 2 of the following: discuss aggregate production planning and capacity planning and factor affecting both. What do you understand by PPC? Explain briefly in terms of mass production and batch production. Discuss the mass production system. Question 5. Attempt any 2 of the following: what is production and operation management? Explain the nature and scope of production and operation management. What is purchasing management? Explain with suitable examples the function and process of purchasing management. Discuss batch production, mass production and job shop manufacturing system. Discuss the factors that affect process design. अगर आप सभी इसकी PDF चाहते हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel.